Welcome back to my channel Style Up India. This is me Nisha here and I'm back with another video. So in this video I will tell you how I have improved my skin texture and made it less disgusting than it was before, and what products I use on everyday basis. Then let's get started. Why I even needed a skincare routine. Actually everybody needs a skincare routine, but I did not knew this back then. My skin type is normally a normal. Sometimes it gets dry and it's not oily, not sensitive. I used to go out a lot earlier because I used to vlog a lot since back then, and because of that really affected my skin. My skin got really dull, lifeless, dark spot intensifying, and then I realized I really need a good skincare routine, and because of that I started using a lot of products because I'm a product reviewer now. So I have used a lot of products and tried a lot of products, and recently the EMM, that is E Mega Mart, has sent me this huge box of skincare products, and I have been using them religiously on an everyday basis. So they have sent me some of the products. Let me show you. So there are 5 products which I am going to talk about and use them and give you a review one by one. I really loved the result which I've been getting lately. So yeah, let's get started. Lockdown has been really hard on each one of us, so it is a perfect getaway to de-stress and detoxify the skin care. So I have tried this really cool kit from EMM, and it is such a cute box full of skincare products. It has 5 products and it comes with these cards. Each cards contain the information about the product, like what you can expect from the product and how you can use them. And it is such a cute box, and it doesn't come with a plastic bag or thermocol, but all the products are safe and fine, and it comes with this cute colorful balls. Let me show you these balls, and it makes really cute, and I really feel like using the products when it looks cute. So let's start with the face wash. So the face wash is this Athelo face wash. It says skin whitening, deep cleansing facial foam. So basically I don't believe in the term skin whitening, I believe in skin brightening. I believe कि आपकी skin healthy हो सकती है, glowing हो सकती है, but not whitening. So yeah, let's try this product. Inner packaging looks something like this. It is comes in a tube package. So, and the formula of this face wash is something white in color. You don't need much of the products because it lathers well. So I'm just going to apply this much on my face. Just massage it well for just few seconds, and then I'll wash it off. Really like the feel of this product. It makes it so smooth and supple and really cleanse your skin, and it has a special activates which reduce your blemishes and brightens your skin. The best thing I liked about this product that it is a paraben free. Product which I'm going to talk about is this face scrub, and I'm in love with this face scrub. It is one of my favorite scrub now because it smells delicious, and it has also written that caution, it is not edible. So this is for exfoliation, and it brightens your skin and polishes your skin. So let me apply and show you how to use it. It looks something like this. It looks like a creamy chocolate kind of a thing. So you just have to massage it like this on your face. The scrublets are really small, so it's not going to, bother your skin. You have to just massage it well. After a good massage, I washed my face. So this chocolate scrub has a premium ingredient and the minerals polishes your dull skin through the mild formulation. It also removes the excess oil and dirt from your skin. It also prevents from sebum formulation, which leads to acne. I have here is a Hyalo gel. It is a hyaluronic acid gel, and we all know that hyaluronic is a star ingredient in every skincare products now. Actually, it is very beneficial for our skin and it is really good for our skin, and I really like when any skincare product has a hyaluronic acid in it. So I'm just going to apply this on my face. It comes in this package like this, small tube. It has a really non-sticky formula and non-oily, non-comedogenic aqueous gel. So it is very transparent kind of a gel. You really need a small teeny tiny amount of it for your entire face. Even when you are applying, your face is not going to feel sticky at all, which is the best thing. So I'm just going to dab it like this into my face. I really love the formula of this product. Like, it is very very lightweight, and when you apply, you don't feel anything sticky and you don't feel like you have applied anything on your face, and it really hydrates your skin. So I really like this. It leaves a very subtle glow on your face and makes it very soft and supple. Next product I have here is this sunscreen. It is a Z Block zinc oxide sunscreen gel. It is very important to apply a sunscreen on your face. I have seen a huge difference on my skin and skin texture when I started using a sunscreen on my face. Even it doesn't matter where you are going, like it is rainy, sunny, or whatever the season is, you should apply a sunscreen. Also, many dermatologists suggest that you should apply the sunscreen even if you are at home. So it's really important to apply a sunscreen. So it comes in this tube package. I'm just going to apply a tiny amount of it on my face. So it looks something like this, white in color. And it is such a lightweight sunscreen. Like, I've never seen any sunscreen before like this much light. Many sunscreen leaves white particles on your face after applying, but this one doesn't. It gets absorbed into your skin so well that you don't feel like you have applied a sunscreen. Look at my skin, guys. Like, it makes so soft and supple. It gives a velvety feel to your skin. I really love the sunscreen. It is like favorite sunscreen for me because it has SPF 50. It is very water resistant up to 80 minutes. It is a mineral oil free and paraben free and free from all the harmful chemicals. So it is the best sunscreen for me. Last but not the least product is this lip moisturizer. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips. It's in this cute package. It reminds me of my college days when I only used to apply a lip moisturizer on my lips and not any other, lip balm or any lipstick on my lips. It doesn't contain any mineral oil. The formulation, like I'll show you, it looks something like this, transparent, and it doesn't have any smell. It's not a sticky at all. So I really like the formula of this. It is very good to apply a lip moisturizer. We should not neglect our lips because usually we don't get time to take care of your lips. We usually apply lipsticks, and nowadays we apply a matte lipsticks which makes it more dry and chappy, and sometimes our lips get very dark. So when we apply a good moisturizer, our lips become very supple. So when we are home, we should apply a lip moisturizer and just relax. It is a really good moisturizer. It doesn't give a waxy feel to your lips. It's very, very lightweight. It is a color free and smell free. So it is the best moisturizer. The best part I liked about this lip moisturizer that it is a paraben free, plus it has a SPF 15 to protect your lip. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed this video. This video maybe was helpful for you guys in some or the other way. I really tried my best to explain and give all the information about this product and give the honest opinion about this product. And I really like all the products, especially the sunscreen and the face scrub is my favorite now, and I really love them, and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Like, you can switch your skincare product to these products, and if you want to try them out, all the details is given in the description box below. Do check them out, and if you like the video, hit the like button, comment down below what other videos you want me to do, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, I love you all.